everyone. I'm sure you could tell we're out and about using the new baler. See right here we've got our bale made, or getting made. It was a little confusing at first, but now I know that that arrow to the right means it wants me to drive to the right, not necessarily feed the right hand side of the baler. So that was a bit of a learning curve. And for those of you that have been around for a while, you know that this is the hayfield that we made last year, as a matter of fact. And it did produce well. However, it's not the best quality. It does have more weeds than we'd like to see, so we're gonna fix that. Bob's gonna be nice and pick up our bales for us today. For all you John Deere fans, yeah, that's not our tractor. However, we help each other a lot. I'm pretty sure you can figure this out on your own, but where the windrows are real thick, it was actually a really good stand of grass, and it went well. But then there's also a lot of spots where you can see that the windrow got thin, and it was just simply that the grass didn't take there, and then where it didn't take, it definitely got plenty of weeds, and those weeds were very happy to thrive there. So we're gonna fix that though. And I didn't make a raking video because I was on the Open Station 7000 and it sounded great, and I was just enjoying running it. Didn't make any video, you wouldn't have heard me talking anyways. But you can see that the windrow is kind of goofy, and that was because I didn't open the rake up at the back as much as I should have. I still had it set up for the old baler, and we have made adjustments now to where it's far more suited to the newer baler. And the next part of this video is brought to you by Agzaga. We're gonna have to change our net wrap. I don't know if I have enough for even this bale. Let's see what it says. It just said check mesh. I already knew the roller was low, but we wanted to finish it off. I don't want to waste any. And plus, I'm gonna replace this, but once we kick this bale out, I got a bunch of net wrap wrapped around that roller. It'd be a lot easier if I wasn't short.
Take off.
Yeah, take all this shit off. Gonna pull the rest. I'm pulling the wrong side, that's why. Let me lower this down some. Yeah. It's way up there. I have a little dirt on my face. Like I said, we had to cut a bunch of net wrap out, so don't mind that. Those are some good windrows right there. That's about perfect because it fills up the whole feeder housing. So it makes a really nice tight bale, kind of like the ones you see over there stacked up already. You may have also noticed that we've already baled the headlands, the end rows, whatever you want to call them. And we actually did those a different day, and I was going to cut the whole field, but the ground itself, the hay was dry enough that we could have cut and everything. However, the ground was still pretty moist, and it was thick enough hay that I didn't want to have wet ground that the hay's going to lay on, because then it won't dry underneath. So we just did the headlands and called it good. I hear you. I'm stopping. See what she does. Should be good. We changed out the net wrap, and then we also had to cut a bunch of net wrap off of one of the rollers. I think that was causing some issues. We had a few bales that didn't want to, like, it just kind of busted. They didn't wrap right. And since we cut that off, it seems to have fixed it. So it was a lot. I mean, a lot. Like several inches on the roller, a lot. Bob's doing a great job stacking bales. Stacking, I guess collecting. They're not technically being stacked, but look at that beautiful bale. Gorgeous. Now for a quick lunch break. And it's good.
And just like that, 71 bales are done, and we are done with first cut finally. Seems like it's been taking forever because of all the rain here and there. Just inconsistent timing and not helpful for the timing, because it can't rain today, be dry for 2 days, and then rain again, and us have enough time always to cut. Like I said, I have a full-time job. I did take leave, but unfortunately it's back to work next week, so good timing at least. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.